Hello students, let's learn today's topic fourth generation language, that is very high level language. Yesterday we had read about second generation and third generation. Today we will proceed to the fourth generation. Fourth generation languages are more advanced than the third generation languages. These are more advanced than the third generation language and these are very easy than third generation language to learn and to understand the codes. They are a combination of many languages with the following features: highly user friendly and independent of any operating system. The fourth generation language, which is very high level language, that is higher user friendly, means this language is very user friendly, it is very easy to understand, and it is independent of any operating system. It can run in any operating system. Very high speed of execution. This language has a high speed execution designed to reduce the level of programming efforts, and these languages are designed to reduce the level of programming efforts so that we get a lesser time or lesser effort to design our program. We can design our program with a very simple manner and easiest manner than this. Minimum efforts from the user to obtain any information. It takes very minimum effort from us user to obtain any information. Designed to reduce time and cost of software development. It is designed, this language is designed, it reduces our time. It reduces our time to develop a program, and the software is cheap in cost. Okay, in fourth generation language the users has to specify only the required output they want. In this language users has to specify only the required output they want. Whatever the output we want, we can specify only that. We don't have to give the detailed query. While the computer determines the sequence of instructions that will accomplish those results, and computer obtain our result, it accomplish our results with this fourth generation language. Fourth generation languages include PHP, Ruby, Python, Perl, and SQL, which are commonly used to manage database. These all are languages which are used to manage our database. Means these are all database software, we can say that. Let's come to fifth generation language, which is artificial language. You all know that fifth generation languages we are using nowadays. These are languages are used in our researches also. The fifth generation language or 5GL consists of visual tools to develop a program. Visual tools means there are many picture tools or very easy tools recognized in this program to use it and to develop our program. These languages are used to develop programs for the field of artificial intelligence. You all know that fifth generation language is generally used in artificial intelligence, like a robot. We can develop robot with this language, and artificial neural networks. Some examples of fifth generation languages are Mercury, OPSS, and Prolog. These are the some examples which are used in fifth generation languages. Let's read about this on this table. Machine, the language which is machine language. Features are used, it uses binary codes to depict operators and data. We had read it is machine dependent, yes, and the only language directly understood by a computer. Computer only understands this language. Assembly language, it uses mnemonic codes and symbols instead of binary numbers. It is also a machine dependent and has to be converted into machine language by translator program. Firstly, assembly language has to converted into machine language by translator program, then computer can understand your code. High level language, you all know that these are uses English words and mathematical operators. It is machine independent, has to be converted in machine language by translator programs. Interpreter and compilers are those translators. In high level program, these two translators are used to translate this high level program into machine language by translator. Then this machine language code computer can understand, and computer converts that machine code into high level language, then we understands our output. So these are the process, and the process is going by these translators. 4GL, fourth generation language, it is also machine independent. It is minimal user skills required to obtain results. We all had read application development tools. It has some visual tools, application development tools which are used to develop our program. 5GL used to develop artificial intelligence programs. These are also machine independent and easy to learn. So we had revised all these features of this language. Hope you all understand all about this language. In next video we will start translators. Thank you class.